Hi everyone, welcome back to the TechSupper channel. Today in this video, we are going to look at how to convert the source date time format into the different date and time format, which is a very common requirement in each and every integration. For example, you are trying to build an integration between two applications, source application and then target application. The source application may send you one date time in a different format, whereas you need to send this date and time to the target application by converting into a different format. So how you will do this in Oracle integration. So in this short video, I will show you how to convert one date and time into a different formats. So before we start, guys, please subscribe my channel so that you can get notification in your notification list as soon as I publish a new video, and you will be updated time to time. Okay. And also, you can buy my Visual Builder book. I have written this book this year only. This book is on the Oracle Visual Builder. If you want to learn Visual Builder with different examples, if you know how Visual Builder works, what is the requirement to learn Oracle Visual Builder, the different ways to build your web application, this is the good book. You can buy it and then you can start learning your Oracle Visual Builder. Okay, so let's get started. So first I will show you, before I will take you to the Oracle integration, I will show you a different topology which you should use to convert a source format to a different source format to a different form, to target format as per your requirement. So you need to use some keywords, okay, standard keywords I will say. Let's suppose, okay, so the D01, capital D01, what it will do, it will produce the 2-digit date. For example, 13, 20, 01. If you use D01 to convert your into a target format, then it will give you the 2-digit date. M01, capital M01, it produces the 2-digit month. For example, 01, 12, and 2, 10, like this. You have Y0001, capital Y. It produces the 4-digit year. For example, 2021, 1988, something like this. So if you want the hours, like it will produce 2-digit hour in a 24-hour clock. For example, 11, 11, 13, 23 means it will produce in a 24 hours format. Okay. M01, capital M01, it produces the 2-digit minutes. For example, 05, 10, 59. Okay, maximum will be 59. S01 produces the 2-digit seconds. For example, 05, 10, and 59. H1, small h and 1, it will produces the 1 or 2-digit hour in a 12-hour clock. So here you see I have given you S01, which will give you the date, which will give you the time in a 24 hours. But H1, if you use H1, it will give you the hours in a 12-hour clock. Okay. Then you also need to get AM or PM. Then for this, you will use capital P, which will generate AM or PM as per the current date and time. Z, it produces the time zone. For example, ZMT plus 00:00. Capital M, capital N, and N. What it will generate? It will generate the capitalized name of the month. Let's suppose you have one date and time from where you want to calculate the month from this date. So you can use capital M and N. It will give you the month. Like if the date has the month called August, then it will give you the August. F, capital F, N, and N, the capitalized name of the day of the week. For example, if current day is Sunday, it will produce Sunday. Capital D, small w, O, the word of the ordinal value of the day. For example, if today is the 13th April, then it will give you 13. Okay. So if you want to convert date and time format, there's a standard function called format hyphen date and time, which takes two arguments. One is the source date and time. Make sure the date and time you are passing, it should be in the exact date and time. Otherwise, this function will not work. Okay, make sure the argument which you are passing, it is of the date and time type. Then you have to give the format in which format you want to convert this date and time, which you will pass. Okay, so this format is nothing. It's like you need to use this like D01-M01-Y0001. Then the source date and time format will be converted in DD-MM-YYYY, something like this. So now I will show you a different examples how to convert this date and time. So here, what I have done, I have simply created one schedule integration with name parse state, and I have created one sample here to which will convert the start date and time into the different format. So what I have done, I have created a assigned variable here. This is the schedule integration, and you know, when you use the schedule integration, it will give you start time always. Okay, so here you see I have created 5 assigned variable. Let's see how I have converted the start time into a different format. Assign variable assign _1. So if I will edit it, what I have done, so here you can see the format date and time function. Okay, so here in this mapper we have the format date and time function, which is a standard function, and here you see the format date and time. This is the function, and it takes 2 arguments. Like the first argument is the date and time. So what I have done, I have used this start time of this schedule integration, and I'm converting this start time. It will have the date and time both. Then I'm converting, let's say I want this date and time into this format DD-MM-YYYY. So these are the keywords which I have explained in my presentation. D01 will give you 2-digit day, 2-digit month, 4-digit year, and then RHH, colon MM, colon SS means seconds. So when you are passing the start time, this date will be converted into this particular format, and here the date will come DD-MM-YYYY means year, then HH, colon MM, colon SS. So the date and time will be converted into this, but make sure this function will only use the standard date and time. It will not use the start. It will not use the string variable. Okay. Then in the second assign var, what I have done, I have converted the same start time into a different format like DD-MM-YYYY. Okay. So this is the second conversion. The assign var third, the third conversion, here you see what I have done. Here I am converting MM/DD/YYYY, HH means R, colon, MM means minutes, colon, second, S01. Make sure you will use the same. Okay. Then in the fourth assignment, what I have done, I am using the start time. I'm converting this start time into this year means YYYY hyphen MM hyphen DD. And here you see I am using H1 here. H1 means it will give the hours in a 12-hour clock. Okay, and then minutes, and this P will give you whether it's a AM or PM. Okay. Now, in this fifth assign, here you see H01, M01, and then Z. Okay. So what it will do, it will give the hours and minute, and this will give me the time zone. Okay. And then in the sixth, I am using DW0. I have already explained this. What it will give, it will give you the word of the ordinal value of the day. For example, if we are 1st August, it will give you first. Okay, DW01. Then in 7, here you see I am using M and NN. It will give you the month of the past date. And then in the last one I am using F and N, it will give you the day. So I have created 5 different assignments here, created 5 different variables. You can use the combination of this D01, M01, Y01 to calculate the different format. And then I have used 4, 5, 8 different loggers here, and then printing all the variables here. Let me just open any one of them. Let's say, and here what I'm using the concatenate function, and here I'm saying the date and time in this particular format, and then here I have passed my assign variable. Okay, now you can use this variable to send it to your target system. Fine. Now let me just simply try to run this integration, and then we'll show you the loggers. Let me just activate this integration quickly. Fine. Let's submit. I have submitted that integration. Let's go to this and we'll see what will happen. It has been succeeded, and here you see the start time in this a different format like YYY, MM, DD, and T. We have the T in between, and then HH, MM, sorry, HH, MM, SS, and then we have the milliseconds to plus 0000, which represents the time zone. So here select, and let's see logger 2, and here you see log message date and time in this DD, MM, YY, HH format, and here you see I am getting this start time in this particular format. However, it has been changed into this particular format. Similarly, the assign log 1 here, this is my different format DD, MM, YY. This one is in the different format, and here you see I am getting 2021-8-1 10:26 AM, right? And here you see the time zone 10:26. You can see the same 10:26 HH, MM, and then time zone. And here you see in the log 6, I'm getting today is first, means I'm sitting on the 1st August, and here you say first. Log 7, here you see years, month is August. Okay, and then last logger log 8, here I'm getting Sunday. So this is how you can convert one format into another. You can convert in any one of the format like this, but make sure the format date and time function takes the date time argument. If you are passing the string in a different format, it will not work. Guys, that's all for this short video. If you have any question, you can keep commenting. I will be happy to assist you. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get regular updates. You can see me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. You can view my website, means blog site, https://www.techsupper.com. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.